Okay, so Apple just dropped macOS 26 Tahoe public beta, and yeah, I installed it on my main Mac because why not? Was it smooth? Kinda. Was it risky? Definitely. Should you try it? Well, that's what this video is about. Let's get into it. First off, this is a beta software. That means bugs, crashes, random UI weirdness, and yeah, the occasional why is my Mac overheating while I'm doing nothing moment. So please back up your stuff before even touching the update button. Time Machine, iCloud, whatever you've got, just don't skip this backup part. To get the beta, head to beta.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID and click on enroll your device. Super straightforward. Once that's done, go to System Settings, General, Software Update, and under Beta Updates, you'll see macOS 26 Public Beta. Tap it and boom, you are in. Now the download begins, and yeah, this can take a while, depends on your internet and how old your Mac is. Alright, we are in. First impressions, the liquid glass design. This is Apple's biggest visual overhaul in a long time. Translucent, layered, dynamic, and that glass effect. The menu bar, dock, toolbar, everything just pops. Plus, customizable folder colors and unified app icons. It's stunning. Spotlight is now an intelligent command center with Apple Intelligence. Quick actions, rich results, truly a time saver. Apple has packed macOS 26 Tahoe with a ton of new features and a bold new look. It's a truly transformative update, making the Mac experience more intuitive, intelligent, and deeply connected across your entire Apple ecosystem. Now here's the thing, it's stable enough to use, but I'm still getting small bugs here and there. Nothing major, just minor annoyances. Like your Mac won't explode, but you might sigh a few times. So, should you install the macOS 26 public beta? If it's your only Mac and you use it for work, maybe hold off. Unless you love experimenting, then go for it. That's it. macOS 26 Tahoe public beta installed and tested. More stable than I expected. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment and smash that subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.